Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to take you through our landing page and navigation. This is your navigation bar. This contains your company logos, your company name, the email that you registered your portal account with, as well as a drop-down menu that contains the main portions of the administrative portal. You may access the home page at any time by clicking on the account name of the navigation bar. Whenever you log into your Enforcer Management portal, you will be presented with this home screen. This is your administrative portal. Enforcer Access, where you'll be able to create and configure your enforcers. With the user management, you will be able to either give a user access to a specific enforcer or the actual management portal. The reseller profile is where you'll be able to change your reseller name, your contact information, as well as your password. With customer branding, you'll be able to change the reporting branding, for example, the covers, the text, and colors, as well as the enforcer branding. You'll be able to change the solution's name to whatever you desire. Within this reporting section, you will be able to pull overview reports of all your enforcers. This is your accounts section. By clicking on View Costing, you will be able to see your forecast for the month, as well as previous invoices and an overview of all your enforcer costs. The dashboard and traffic flow analyzer is a perfect investigative tool to view all of your data. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.